Hello, I'm back. I'm still in Paris. Thought I'd finished. But we're just walking away from the Moulin Rouge there, the Blanche metro station. Just walking down here, and I know that we're sort of in the Pigalle, which Pigalle was a bit of a notorious area of Paris in the olden days. But it still looks like it's a little bit naughty, a bit of fun going on around here. We've got erotic supermarket. Across the road here, we've got Toys Star.
Oh, you can go see a live sex
We've got
show.
Phono show over here. Sex in capital letters. Cinema, €10 to go to the cinema. Over here, we've got Sexy Girls. Another sex shop. A love hotel. Oh.
Magic sheets in there.
Wouldn't like to hit chamber, maybe. Hotel. Fantasy DVD store. I wonder what the kids make of this when they're walking through with their mums and dads. Wall Street, Pigalle. So the Pigalle area of Paris. Sexy girls. There's a man stood on the door. Don't know if he's waiting for the door to open. The restaurant. Maybe that's all it is these days.
Another sex shop.
Oh no, we're not quite finished yet.
One next door.
We've got a Naturalia. Is that a health food shop? Or is that like natural as in nudist? Who knows? But we've got a sex shop and it says sex toys and more. What would more be? I don't know. Sexy store. What have we got? Yeah, they're still coming up on the left hand side. The Totem Pigalle souvenirs. Kebab and burgers. Tacos. We've got another live show, table dance and lap dance. And next door to that, sex shop. I don't know. Where have you brought me, man?
Somewhere you clearly enjoy.
We've got a chicken shop down there. Supermarket. Pink Fizz. That's got to be a nightclub, hasn't it? Pink Fizz. It goes on and on. We've got Toys Palace. Salé Video Palace. Got a shop next door. It's a love story. Well, these shops have got the same name. They're all called sex shop. Yeah. I think that trademarked by somebody. Patented.
Vicky on the bench over there, look.
Victoria on the bench in the Pigalle. Oh yeah, with the red hair. Oh, we've got pussies over there.
Is that a vet?
Is that a pet shop?
Yeah.
Hello. There are a lot of scantily clad ladies working in that pet shop. Pussies. Oh, lap dance, pole dance. Oh, look at that old man there in the doorway. He'll be trying to get in happy hour, no doubt. Next door, sexy souvenirs. You want a sexy souvenir, darling?
No, thank you.
Entree, welcome. Come in. Le Poc. It was you said let's have a walk down here, innit?
Yeah.
It was, wasn't it though?
Yeah.
Love store, sexy duck. Lingerie. Sexodrome.
A pharmacy.
A pharmacy. Ah, pharmacy, yeah. Selling condoms. Moon City. We've got a lingerie. We've got a cocky market. But it is fruit and ice creams. Right. Ladies table dance, theatre show. Oh, noctaboos. Does that mean nocturnal, like nighttime, open at night? There's Follies, Pigalle, another theatre. Got McDonalds over there, potatoes and cheddar. I said they did cheesy chips at McDonald's. And we got McDonald's next to the sexy cinema show. So you can get your cheesy chips and
We'll never lock them.
yeah, go sit down there with eat your chips. Slurp on your Coca-Cola. Right, so this is the Pigalle metro station. I think we might be getting the metro back to the hotel. We'll just see them, because we've just gone exploring and wandering about again. Just going where we don't know where we're going.
Can't find the bag.
Although it was Sandy who chose us to come down this street. Nothing to do with me. But we'll see if we can find them out.
Well,
See
it's
if
been the most excited you've been doing your videos. What?
It's not for me, it's for the viewers.
Yeah.
I'm not interested at all.
We're coming back out tonight while I'm packed.
Right then. A map. See if the garden order appears on the map or not. 4 t-shirts, €25. That's not bad really, is it? Yeah, €6 a t-shirt. It's not bad for a souvenir shop. Usually is a map around where the metro stations are. So this is where we are. Well, it's only, I mean, it only shows us a small map. That's just 5 minutes walk, that's 10 minutes walk. So we're going in the general direction, but we don't know how far off the map it is. Don't actually say. So you're calm and we can go.
We'll just keep walking a bit more.
Keep walking, you alright? Because when we're back in the hotel. You don't want to go get 4 t-shirts for €25.
No, they all say Paris on them.
They won't wear them.
No.
No, they're going to house with you, that's all, if you wanted to get a present. No. I think we're in a bit, very large music store. Just coming up guitars. Stars Music over there, guitar shop. It goes all the way down the block. Because that's music shop. Must be huge. Probably the go-to shop for musicians, possibly. That looks nice. Just above that there's an old green doorway there. Old green doorway, you look up the arch, stone arch, and then you've got lights on inside that apartment or whatever it is. Or it just looks very nice. Another pharmacy.
They're everywhere.
Yeah.
You never get stuck for a chemist.
Oh no, there's a chemist virtually on every street. And we've got like a posh nosh place over there, kebab, chicken, crepes, anytime food, panini, tacos, hamburger. Marmite, the Marmite Cafe. La Marmite. Well, you either love it in there or you hate it, wouldn't you? To this horrible concrete monstrosity amongst all the nice typical Parisian French buildings either side, and then you get this new block, concrete squares, no class. And yet down the street, yeah, it's the typical street Yeah, you see these grills in the pavement all over Paris, and they're blowing up hot air. And I've only just clicked what it is. It's the air vents coming up from the subway. So you're getting all the warm air getting blown up into the street. Yeah, worked it out. There we go. Now you know. Got a shop over there, the Rose of the Orient. Asian flavour to the clothes and jewellery. That balcony up there got a lot of windmills fitting in with the Moulin theme. Fast food centre, fast food, Indian food. Got all the glass slippers over there. Shop for Cinderella. A shop for Cinderella over there. Have you seen all the glass slippers, shoes? Yeah. Have you spotted anything?
Yeah.
What's that? A Phono museum. So it's a music museum, or the history of gramophones. I'm not sure. Again, still got the Asian theme going on there. Got €5 on that dress at the entrance, which is probably not the true price. So I think once again we'll call it a day. I made this the last video from Paris. I hope you've enjoyed that little look through the naughty side of the Pigalle in Paris. Until the next video, many thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Dodger and out.